Hello, this is Steve from Vuitton's Leatherworks, and today's project is we've got this Louis Vuitton backpack that had a little blowout on the bottom corner there. So what we're going to do is we're going to basically take the bottom out, replace that leather piece that goes all the way around, and then reassemble everything. Alright, let's get started. Alright, welcome back. We're done with this project. Now this thing is a beast. Look how big this is. Now, this is a beautiful backpack. And it's heavy as is. Could you imagine when it's full? So the bottom piece got replaced. And I kept the same piping, that little thin leather piece in between the bottom and the side. And also kept the same bottom, just put some padding on the inside to give it some cushioning. And I also cleaned and conditioned and added a little bit of color. Now that wasn't part of the job, but you know what? This thing is a nice backpack, and I'm sure the customer is going to appreciate it, that it's moisturized and conditioned. Now leather needs to be taken care of. You know, you need to add some moisturizers and then the conditioners back into the leather so it can stay supple, doesn't dry out, so it'll last you for many years to come. So take care of your items. All right. Well, and I think we're finished, and I'm pretty happy the way it turned out. All right, thanks for joining me. We'll see you again on the next video.